Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open your phone, go to contact. Here you have to select the contact which you want to add a photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on camera icon to change its photo. You can select the option to take a photo or to choose photo. Then you have to select a photo, adjust it here, and then tap OK. Save, and the photo will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.